Greeting Panthers, how are you Panthers? Today here I have 100 rand in my Hollywood account. So today we're going to start playing this game called hot fruit. I just want to see if I play it with 3 rand. How much can I make today with 100 rand? So let me see. I'm gonna start it with 3 rand per bet, and we only have 100 rand. So I want to test it if I can try, but I wanted to try also to play on other platforms like God Rush. So guys, let's see what will happen, as I really want this money, guys. And when you are gambling, guys, gamble responsible. Don't gamble too much, you blame somebody. And thank you guys for watching my videos and supporting me. Kindly share my videos and like, and then thank you guys for that. Let's see what will happen. I'm gonna do an auto spins. Let's just put it on 200, but I'm gonna change this auto spins. When it's 50 rand, I'm gonna reduce the balance. We are only playing hot fruit today. Let's see if I'm playing it early in the morning. It's around 7:46. Oh, look at those sevens, guys. So many sevens there, but they didn't connect. Yo, look at those sevens, guys. Yes, so many sevens. Let me reduce to 150. If we get something, then we're gonna change the bet. It's only hot today, guys. Can we get the bonus? Okay. It's not, it just need to hit. If we can hit something good here, I think we can come up, we can get something better. Look at the sevens are so many, guys, but they are not connecting. All right. Connection there also. Yo, look, we could have gotten the bonus that we were supposed. It was supposed to be hot. It was supposed to be hot there. Look at the 7. If and only if it was hot there, guys, it was going to be a massive. Okay guys, let me load another 100 rand. I just want to see something in hot fruit in hollywoodbet before I go to God Rush. Okay guys, I loaded and gained another 100 rand. So let's see how much we're gonna make. So but now I'm gonna increase to 3 rand again. Let's see, after 50 we can change to 150. Let's go. Yo, look at those sevens, guys. There are so many sevens, but they're not connecting. We haven't gotten any bonus yet. Let's hope something is gonna come up with January, guys. These machines are like our own January. These hot games, all these games. because I've been watching others people video too, but there is nothing that was happening. Okay guys, look, okay, look, it was supposed to be hot there. It couldn't be hot. Alright guys, let me reduce to 150. Okay, at least. Oh, what happened? Why it didn't give us the bonus? It's supposed to give us bonus, guys. 64 rand will take that. Just suppose there we were supposed to get that bonus, guys. Let me change to 3 rand guys now, because we have balance of 96. Maybe we can get, we just need to make some extra money guys. It's January now. Don't know if I should look. Oh, we missed a very nice bonus there. Look at those 7s. It's not getting out, guys. It's not getting out. Yo, look at the 7s, guys. Let me reduce to 150 again, because of it's not really getting out. So far we haven't gotten any bonus here. Okay. Alright guys, what I can advise you today is that if you don't have any money in this January, too much money, don't spend your money in these games, because you will regret. And it's January. You don't want to suffer by hunger because of this game. Just give them a break. You can see what's happening. I deposited 200 rand, nothing. We didn't get anything. So if you feel like if you have a small amount in your account and you know that you have to buy children's food or yourself, please don't play these games. Just leave them for now. Take a break. You'll see them on February. And thank you guys for watching, and kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are a new member, and kindly also like the videos and share the videos. I will appreciate that, and I will catch you up in the next video.